Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Rocket League with a joystick on PC. Start by plugging your joystick into a USB port and letting Windows recognize it, then open Steam and enable controller support under Settings. Use Steam Big Picture to create or import a controller configuration, calibrate the axes, and assign boost, jump, and power slide to comfortable buttons before launching Rocket League to test your setup. First, open Rocket League settings and switch the input device to controller so the game reads your joystick inputs correctly. Tweak dead zone values to remove drift and set sensitivity so steering feels smooth without being twitchy. Assign boost, jump, power slide, and any quick chat or replay buttons to comfortable locations. Save the profile, test in a casual match, and iterate until steering, aerials, and dodges feel natural and responsive during gameplay. Create multiple controller profiles for different playstyles, such as casual, free play, and competitive, so you can switch quickly without reconfiguring. If your joystick has a second analog stick, bind camera controls to it for smoother awareness and fewer fumbling moments. Spend time in free play practicing aerials, wave dashes, and recovery drills to build muscle memory with your joystick. Small sensitivity tweaks and consistent practice will dramatically improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.